Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that two people apply for the same job in Saudi Arabia, one gets an interview call within a few weeks and other keeps applying for 6 months and get absolutely nothing? Why does that happen? Is it a luck? Is it connections? या फिर कोई secret है जो आपको नहीं पता? In today's video, I'm going to break down the complete roadmap of getting a job in Saudi Arabia. We'll talk about visas, referrals, LinkedIn company websites, ATS CVs, interview calls, and the mistakes that are stopping thousands of people for getting hired. So don't skip the video. Pause. One small detail can completely change your job search journey. Let's start. The biggest myth about Saudi jobs. सबसे पहले एक myth clear करते हैं. A lot of people think बस Saudi आ जाओ job मिल जाएगी. No, Saudi Arabia has opportunity, huge opportunities, but it also has huge competition. रोज हजारों लोग jobs के लिए apply कर रहे होते हैं. The question is not are there jobs in Saudi Arabia? The real question is do you know how companies hire? Because most people don't, and that's exactly why they struggle. Now let's talk about different ways to come to Saudi Arabia. Direct company employment visa is the first option. This is the safest and most recommended route. You apply from your home country. Company interviews you, company selects you, company processes your visa and then you travel. Simple. अगर आपको direct company से offer मिल जाए तो ये सबसे secure option होता है. Now second option is visit visa. Many professionals come on visit visa and search job while they are already in the kingdom. Why? Because some companies prefer candidates who already available in the kingdom. लेकिन यहाँ एक reality check है. Visit visa पे आने का मतलब job guarantee नहीं है. आपको housing, food, transport और daily expenses का budget लेकर आना होता है. So plan properly. Then let's talk about the famous आजाद visa. अब आते हैं टॉपिक पर जिसके बारे में मुझे सबसे ज्यादा डीएम्स आते हैं, आजाद वीजा. देखिए, लोग इस टर्म को बहुत कैजुअली यूज करते हैं, लेकिन किसी भी अरेंजमेंट में एंटर होने से पहले लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, कॉस्ट और रिस्क को प्रॉपर्ली समझना होता है. नेवर ट्रस्ट रैंडम एजेंट्स ब्लाइंडली. कभी भी वेरिफिकेशन के बिना लार्ज अमाउंट्स पे मत करिए, बिकॉज वन रॉन्ग डिसीजन कैन कॉस्ट यू ईयर्स ऑफ सेविंग्स. नाउ हियर्स समथिंग मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट you don't know. Even if you come to Saudi Arabia, you still need to know where the jobs are, and that's where most candidates fail. Where are the real jobs? Let me show you where smart job seekers find opportunities. First is LinkedIn. If you are not active on LinkedIn in 2026, you are invisible. Recruiters are searching candidates every day. HR managers are posting vacancies every day. Company are hiring every day. और बहुत से लोग सिर्फ WhatsApp ग्रुप में jobs ढूंढते रहते हैं. Big mistake. Create a strong profile, add experience, add certifications, add skills, turn on open to work and apply every day. This is one of the most underrated method. Many companies post job directly on their career pages before posting anywhere else. और लोग सिर्फ job portals check करते रहते हैं. Meanwhile, smart candidates apply directly on company websites. That's a huge advantage. Job portals create account on Naukri Gulf, Gulf Talent, Indeed, Bath और profile बनाकर भूल मत जाएं. Keep updating it regularly because recruiters often search databases for candidates. Now listen carefully because this next section might explains why you are not getting interview calls. You may not like the answer, but most people don't have a job problem. They have a CV problem. Yes, your CV. Imagine applying to 300 jobs and recruiters never even see your CV. Why? Because ATS software filtered it out. That's what happens every day. ATS stand for Applicant Tracking System. It scans your CV before a human see it. अगर keywords missing है, formatting poor है, information relevant नहीं है, your CV can be rejected automatically. Using one CV for every job. Civil engineer, same CV. Project engineer, same CV. Site engineer, same CV. That's not how it works. Customize your CV according to your role and your response rate can improve significantly. But wait, even a great CV isn't always enough. There's another factor many successful candidates use. Let's talk about referrals. This is one of the strongest tool in Saudi Arabia. A referral means someone already working in a company recommends your profile. Now let me clarify something. Referral does not mean guaranteed job. आपको interview clear करना ही पड़ेगा. Skills भी होनी चाहिए, experience भी होना चाहिए, लेकिन referral help your profile get noticed. So how do you get referrals? Build connections, network professionally, engage on LinkedIn, comment on industry post, connect with people from your field. And please don't send messages like search job dilwa do. Instead say, hi, I saw an opening in your company. My experience matches the role. If possible, could you kindly review my profile or refer me? Professional approach, professional results, skills that get you hired. Now here's another reality. The market is changing. A degree alone is not enough anymore. Companies want skills. Companies want value. Companies want problem solvers. If you are in IT, build projects, learn modern technologies. If you are in engineering, learn industry software, get certifications. If you are in safety, get recognized certification. If you are in finance, learn analytics and reporting tools. The candidates who keep learning keep growing. The candidate who stop learning get left behind. Simple. Final advice. Let me give you 3 quick rules. Rule number 1, apply daily, not weekly. Daily. Rule number 2, keep improving your CV. Your CV is your marketing document. Rule number 3, stay active on LinkedIn because opportunities often come through visibility. And remember, Saudi Arabia still has opportunities, but opportunities go to prepared candidates, not just hopeful candidates. Now, I want you to comment below, what job are you looking for? Civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, safety officer, accountant, software developer, BMS engineer, data analyst, cyber security analyst, HR professional, or something else. And I'll create a dedicated roadmap video for that field explaining which companies hire, expected salary ranges, required skills, and exactly how to increase your chances of getting selected. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any career questions, ATS CV doubts, or Saudi job related doubts, DM me on my Instagram @Hina Explains. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz and best of luck with your job search journey.